Here's how to fix the Unable to Initialize Steam API error. First, fully close Steam. Right-click the Steam icon in your hidden taskbar icons and select Exit Steam. Search for Allow an app through Windows Firewall and open it. Click Change Settings, scroll down to find Steam and Steam Web Helper in the list, and make sure both private and public boxes are checked for each. Click OK. Now search for Steam. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This often resolves the API error immediately. If the error persists, search for Add or Remove Programs. Find Steam, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. Once removed, go to the official Steam website and download the Steam installer fresh. Run it to reinstall Steam, then restart your PC. After the restart, open Steam normally, and the Unable to Initialize Steam API error should be fully resolved. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.